last video, I showed you guys exactly how to set up your Facebook ads with ManyChat, how to set up the follow-up sequence, so when someone sees your ad, they click it and they'll automatically receive a coupon code, and then they're going to be able to automatically get subscribed to your ManyChat list, and then you guys can actually follow up with them in the future for future product launches, build an email list, and also get reviews. Okay, so I showed you guys that in the last video, so if you didn't watch that video, definitely watch that video. In this video, guys, I'm going to show you how you're going to be able to set up the promo codes so you're able to provide each single person who opts into your sequence a separate unique code that can't be shared with anybody else. Okay, so this is super important, guys, and I had to make a separate video because as you guys can see here, this is the template. I'm going to go through every single step, but there's over 75 different steps that I'm going to have to take you guys through right now to actually set that up to ensure that it works properly, so that when someone sees your Facebook ad, by the time they click on it, and they get the first message, and then they get the coupon code, and then they purchase it on Amazon, that has to flow properly and make sure that everyone gets their own code. Okay, so I'm going to walk you guys through this step by step, like I said, so do not worry if there's 75 steps. I will walk you guys through this. Okay, I'm going to leave this section on the left hand side here and then work on the right hand side so that you guys can follow step by step and know exactly what I'm doing, and you can refer back to this document. I ensured that this document matches exactly what I'm saying, so there's nothing that's missing. Okay, so before we get started, guys, though, there's a few things that you guys have to do. Okay, so number one, you need to create a ManyChat and Zapier account. For ManyChat, you have to have the Pro account, and it is $10 per month starting, but it is a feature that you do need the Pro feature to actually make this section work. Okay, and then with Zapier, you guys can get a free account. Just go to Zapier and just create that account, and you're good to go. Okay, the next thing you're going to need is you're going to need to have your coupons code created on Amazon. So if you go to Amazon, under all your promotions, you can see your different promotions, right? And then you're going to either create one, which I have a video teaching you guys how to do that, but we're not going to create one, guys. We're going to use one that we already created. So let's just say that's the one. I click on it, I click Manage Claim Codes, and right here I have my Zapier coupon codes. I would click Download, and now I have my coupon codes. Okay, so then what you guys do once you have your coupon codes is you have to head over to Google Sheet. And this is where we're actually going to be putting in those coupon codes onto Google Sheet, and then when someone actually purchases or clicks on our Facebook ad, Zapier will go into the Google Sheet, grab one of the coupon codes, and then give it to the customer. So that's where we're putting the coupon codes. Okay, so it might seem like a lot of steps and complicated, but don't worry, guys. At the end of this video, it's going to make 100% sense, and you guys are going to be able to use this. So I got my coupon codes here. I click Download. I now go to my Google Sheets. I have to create a new Google Sheet, okay? So like I said, I'm going to move this to the right so that you guys can follow step by step. So now we're going to rename our Google Sheet. So let's just say it's going to be the barbecue cover Zapier coupon. You can name it whatever you want. Code, okay? Perfect. And then in column A, just like it says here, you're going to put coupon. This is a word. Let me put this, and I'm going to explain what they all are. Okay, order and distributed. Okay, so in regards to coupon, what is coupon? Well, you're going to be putting the coupon codes. You're going to get that from here. Once I click download, it's going to show up in my download filter. So these are the codes that I got from Amazon. So I'm going to just simply copy them. I'll close this. I don't need this. Go back to here, and I'm going to put the coupon codes here. Okay, so right here, this is where all you put your coupon codes. You can put as many coupon codes as you want. Also remember, guys, if you're planning on giving away 15 or 20 or 200 units total, I would always recommend adding an extra 25 to 30% coupon codes, because a lot of people will actually get the coupon code, but they won't follow up with it and actually purchase it. Okay, so you want to actually hit your number, and you might have to go 25 to 30% higher in regards to hitting that number. Okay, so this is where you put your coupon code. The ManyChat URL, you're not putting anything here right now. We're going to set that up automatically on Zapier. But what that is it's going to track and let you know exactly who on Facebook got that coupon code. So if there's ever an issue, or you need to track a seller, whatever the case may be, you can just click on the ManyChat URL here, and it's going to open up the direct message on Facebook so that you can find out exactly who got that coupon code. Okay. For order, it's very simple. We're just going to put our numbers. Now, obviously, I'm not going to go all the way to 200 because that'll take forever. So just highlight the first 3 and just go all the way to the bottom, guys. When you get to 200, you just let go, and there you go. It fills it up automatically, okay? So you don't have to do that manually. And then distributed, that's just we're going to leave that blank. We'll set that up on Zapier, but it just is, we're going to create a yes option. So it's going to let us know if this person actually got the coupon code and everything worked out properly, okay? So that's the first steps here, guys, okay? The first 3 steps is you create your ManyChat account, create the Zapier account, set up your coupon codes, and then you fill up your Google Sheet, and now we're ready to log in and get started, okay? So next step is logging into Zapier, okay? So once you log into Zapier, just create an account. It's very straightforward. You're then going to click step number 5, which is make a Zap. Once you click make a Zap, you're going to have to connect your ManyChat account. So if you make sure you have ManyChat created so that you guys can actually have that integrated. Once you create that, it'll be ready to go. You're then going to click ManyChat. And then the next step is you're going to have to click right here, show less common options. So again, guys, I might be going a little quick for you guys, but they're all right here. So what I just did was step 7, click show less common option. Okay, so step number 8 is click new trigger Zap event. So right here, you're going to click that. You're going to click save and continue. And then you're going to make sure that it's your ManyChat account is the one that you're looking at doing, is the one that's showing up, okay? Because under your ManyChat account, you can have multiple different pages. So just ensure that it's the right page that's showing up here. If everything's good, you are completely done for step number 9. Sorry. Now we're going back to ManyChat. Okay. So once you get to ManyChat, guys, it's going to look like this. This is going to be your dashboard. What you want to do is go to Growth Tools, and you're going to create a new growth tool. Okay. So you're going to create a new growth tool. And you're going to scroll to the bottom, and you're going to click the Facebook Ads JSON. Okay, so again, you can see that it says Pro because you can't use this feature if you don't have the Pro option. So definitely make sure that you guys have ManyChat Pro. Then you're going to click on that. And then the next thing you guys are going to do is now you're going to build out your actual email sequence so that when someone sees your messages on Facebook, like we did on the last video, they'll be able to follow through and get their coupon code. Okay, so I quickly already made this so that we don't spend too much time on this option. So I'm just going to edit this. So you're going to say, hello, first name, are you looking for a 75% off discount coupon code for your new barbecue cover? This works on Amazon today only. Okay, so instead of clicking this option, guys, you don't actually want this. You need a quick reply. So you're going to click quick reply, and you're going to say, you can go back, and I'm going to show this one, which I said was sure I do. So you can just put sure I do. Okay. And then also you can put no code for me. Okay. And then if they say no code for me, you can just click what I just put here. Going back and forth, guys, it's just because I built this out already, so we don't waste time. So if they say no code for me, you're going to send them a message, and the message will just say no problem. We'll let you know if we have any other products in the future, and that's it. Okay. So you go back here. Now, for sure I do, you need to create a message. So you can click on it, and then the next action is going to be send a message. And then the message that I send is right here. I'm actually going to open this up so that you guys can see this better, okay? So once you click sure I do, you have to send a message. The message is going to say this. Awesome, give me a sec to pull your unique coupon code. I put a little smiley face. And then you actually want to add a delay right here, okay? So the reason you're adding a delay, guys, is because from the time that Zapier actually pulls your coupon code from the Google Sheet, it could take around 6 to 7 seconds. So I typically put about 8 seconds, and that way you know for a fact that by the time the coupon code comes in, that everything's going to be okay. Okay, so once you have that, then you're going to create a text file right here. And what I put is just click below and use the coupon code you see above to get the 75% off, okay? Then you're going to click add button, and it's going to open up the website. You're going to go straight to the website. So let's just say I'm going to go to Amazon.com, guys, and let's just do a quick example for you guys so you guys understand. Barbecue cover. This is where, again, like I said in the last video, you guys can use a super URL. You can use the Amazon's choice URL. You can use your storefront URL, whatever you want. So let's just say we're using this one. I will go back here, and I'm going to put the website here and click done. Now, another thing you guys can do to make this whole process a lot easier is right in the top corner here, you can click Go to Flow Builder. and you can actually see the flow of what's happening with your campaign here. Okay, so I need to delete this. Okay. All right, so right here, they're going to opt in. So it's going to say, hello, are you looking for a 75% off discount code for your new barbecue cover? They're going to say either yes or no, and then no code for me, okay? Now, before you guys do that, though, you need to create an action, okay? So the next thing is going to be, you're going to click Action Group, and you're going to create a Zap. So you're going to click right here, Trigger Zap. Again, these are all in the steps, guys, okay? So under Trigger Zap, you're just going to create something completely, whatever you want. So I'm going to name it the Barbecue Cover Zap. Okay, it could be anything you guys want. You guys create it. New Zap. And now the Zap is created. So this is a step that's required so that they know what to do next. And this is how you're actually going to be able to get that code that shows up here, okay? So once that is created, then you have to link this, you link it to here, okay? So what happens is they get this message. Once they click no code for me, they'll get this automatic message saying no problem. We'll let you know if we have other products in the future, or you can put anything you want. If they say sure I do, it automatically triggers a Zap, and then it will come to this message where it's going to say awesome, give me a sec to pull your coupon code. You guys can't see. I'm going to zoom in. So it's going to say give me a sec to pull your coupon code. Now it's going to take about 6 to 7 seconds for Zapier to go to your Google Sheet and pull this first one. And then they're going to come back and give the code right here. And then the next message is going to say, just click below to use your coupon code and see above to get the 70%. Okay, so just click below and use the coupon code you see above to get the 75% off. Okay, so once that's done, guys, this is you're on step 19 right here already. All you do is you're going to click publish. And if there's any errors, meaning you missed a step or there's something that's missing, a button, action, whatever the case may be, ManyChat will tell you. It's going to have a little red error message, and then you would just click it and find out exactly what you have to do, okay? So once that's selected, guys, now you're going to go to start the actual flow of Zapier, and there's 7 steps in regards to setting up the Zapier accounts, okay? So step number 1 here, as you guys can see, is once this is published, you're going to go back to Zapier where we left off right here. You're going to click Save and Continue. And then the event you guys are going to be searching is the one that we just created, okay? So this is the Zap that I created. So I created the barbecue cover Zap. So if you guys forgot, this is the Zap right here, okay? So this is the action. Once I created this, it automatically will show up on this end for me to be able to see it, okay? So once you have that, you're going to click Continue. You're going to click Load. Okay, load in samples. Just double checking. Okay, trigger, so it's ready to go. Everything is good. You're going to click continue. And now the next thing you guys are going to need to do is go to storage. Okay, so you're going to click on storage. So we're on step 2 right here of the sheet, guys. Once you get onto the storage, you're going to click here, show less common options. And then you're going to go to the increment values, okay? So you're going to click on increment value, and again, you're going to go to the bottom and click save and continue. And then you're going to have to connect your account, okay? So if your account's not connected, mine's already connected. Actually, maybe it's not connected. Let me see. Yeah, so you'll click connect an account, and then you can just create any name that you want. So barbecue giveaway. Continue. So just create that. Once it's added, it's ready to go. You guys will be able to see it here. You're going to click save and continue. And then this is where you go to the next step. So we're on step 28 here of the Excel sheet, or of the PDF, guys. So under the to be putting in counter. So you're just going to type in counter here, guys. For the increment amount, you're just going to click 1. Okay, so this is what it's going to be pulling from the Google Sheet again. So have that set up, then you're going to click continue. Okay, and then you just want to, you can send a test. You always want to send the test to ensure that everything is working step by step. There's only the last 2 steps, steps 6 and 7. We are not going to be sending a